Welcome back to another Vlogmas episode. Today we are still doing DIYs. I told you it was DIY Christmas. So today we're going to be making lollipops and gumdrops. So let's get into it. Message from future me. I filmed painting all of these lollipops and my camera died. I didn't notice it. That's extremely annoying. So this is the final product of all of the 5 lollipops that I actually did make. So I have all of these. How cute. So this is first stage. Third. So I have 5 that I need to make. So I already have one made from last year, but I cannot find pool noodles anywhere at all. So we're about to use poster board, broomstick handle, and cellophane. Let's get started. Okay, not too shabby, not too shabby. I'm starting to get the hang of it. Now we just need 4 more, okay? That didn't do nothing. Y'all see something? It's like a little bit. This might have been a fail. Well, let's try the other one. You can kind of see it, but it's just, yeah. It's a little. I think that's slightly better, but I'm a little underwhelmed. Okay, it's getting a little sparkle. I don't know if it's the color. It's not really giving what I wanted it to give. Maybe I just need a glitter. And here are the final results for this DIY lollipop. I think it's not too shabby for them not to be made out of pool noodles. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you look out for other episodes of Vlogmas, and I'll definitely be showing the outside decor once we're finished. Okay, love you. Bye.